Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini kami dari kelompok 6 akan mempresentasikan tentang implicit information from the Islamic banking text yang beranggotakan 1 D. Hanor, NIM 4022100045, 2 Dela Amanda, NIM 4022100046, 3 Delia Rahman, NIM 4022100047. Definition of implicit information. Implicit information is a text reading whose meaning can only be obtained after reading the entire context of the text. This is because the meaning in the implicit text is not written directly implicitly. Therefore, to find out the meaning, you must go through the process of making conclusions from the information. Implicit information is secret, full of mystery, and can be known by guessing, different from the explicit information already contained therein. The conclusions contained in the implicit information generally consist of the thought, opinions, and partiality of the author when compiling the text. Conclusion can be searched based on the location of the main idea. In its use in the academic field, implicit text is usually used in literature or literary works. As it is known, the meaning of the implicit text is an implicit meaning with secondary meaning, where we must first find the real meaning after reading a passage. Characteristic features. 1. The meaning or message can only be obtained after reading the text. 2. Used in literature. 3. Can cause confusion or double meaning. 4. Need to find out the true meaning. 5. Often used in literary works. How to find implicit information. 1. Connecting data or information in the text known as making the conclusions. 2. Read the text carefully. 3. Pay attention to the pattern of sentence development in the text. 4. Look for words that have more figurative meanings. Example of Islamic banking text. In today's banking world, you are certainly familiar with Islamic bank. Functionally, Islamic bank have the same role as conventional bank, namely to collect and channel public funds. However, one thing that distinguishes it is the principle of Islamic Sharia economic democracy and the principles of prudence, which are the guidelines for the operating system of the Islamic bank itself. Apart from the main text as the institution responsible for the collection and distribution of public funds, Islamic banking also have a goal to support the implementation of national development, to support the improvement of justice, togetherness, and equitable distribution of welfare among the community. Implicit information of Islamic banking text. Islamic banks are banks that use Sharia principles to achieve public welfare. Question. What is implicit information? 2. What are the characteristics of star information? 3. How to find out the star information? 4. What is the difference between star and explicit information? 5. What is the implied information of Islamic banking text? Thank you.